Hello everyone, StylesbyLailani is here bringing you the natural styles of life. And today we will be cutting our soap loaf that is dedicated to my cat. His name was Brilliance, and he actually passed away on the 14th of January. So if you are interested in seeing how my soap loaf look, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it. Don't worry about that, y'all. It's just soap. Y'all know soap making is messy. So we just gonna unload this here. So nice and smooth, y'all. And it smells beautiful. I am so excited. It's looking good. It's looking good. Just take your time. It's no rush. I like for it to kind of like pop out on its own. Let's turn it to this side. Okay. Come on, don't embarrass me in front of company. This is why I don't really have my gloves on, y'all, because it's like I can't get a real good feel with it with my gloves on. I just rather clean my hands. So here he is. Here he is. Let me clean my table off. Give me a second, my fellow people. Okay. Trying to have it looking cute or whatever. So, y'all, I am excited. Can y'all tell? Can y'all really tell? Let me give y'all a minute so y'all can like this video real quick. Like the video for me, y'all. I'm going to count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thank y'all. I appreciate it. I really do. So let's cut our first sample piece. Let me make sure y'all got a good nice shot, okay? Oh my gosh, look at it, y'all. Oh my goodness, I just want to cry. I'm not going to cry out here with y'all. I'm I got to turn it to it on the side, y'all. I guess to turn it to the side because I don't really like drag lines in my soap. So, I'm turning it to the side. Okay, guys, I'm so sorry about that. But let's get into this cut. This is the only thing about using the botanicals. You know, some people don't have a problem with drag lines, but I really don't like the drag lines too much. You know, to each his own. What do y'all think? Comment down below, y'all. Comment down below. And let's get on with this cut, okay? Y'all, I'm a bit emotional. That's why I'm super quiet right now. Whew. Who knew losing a pet would be so hard? I didn't know, y'all. I didn't know. Whew.